guys, so today I'll be showing you some of my slimes, so let's get started. So the first slime is this barrel slime. I might get it black because I just had to fix one of my slimes. Anyways, it's this like foam slime and it's really like stretchy and stuff. Yep, it's turning a bit darker, but that's okay. Anyways, the beads fall out a bit. That's one thing I don't like about it. And a thing I like about it, if I go like this really fast, it breaks and stuff, and it sort of like a confetti because beads fall out. So yeah, I'll show you the next slime now. So my next slime, let me just put this on the ground because it will not go in this container. So the next slime is this half butter slime, half normal slime, and it's really stretchy and stuck to the container, but here it is. I love the texture, so I'll show you it. Oh, but here's the container. I really liked it in it. So yeah, here's the butter thing. I don't have a butter knife with me, so see if it makes it better. Sort of. Anyways, the next slime is this huge, what's it called? Mixture slime smoothie. Yeah, that's why I only have like 4 slimes now, or 4 or 5. It's like there's one piece. Two-piece, whoa. And the last piece. Okay. So here it is. This is the slime I had to activate a bit because it's too sticky. And the last slime will be this huge giant slime. Anyways, so this slime, I really like the noise of it. And it doesn't poke or anything. So yeah, let's get on with the next slime. Let me just clean my hands first. Okay, here's my next slime. It's the best butter slime in the world for me. Because like, yeah, I never felt too many butter slimes, but like, the best butter slime I have ever made. And it's like going all the way to the end of my table. And stuff. It doesn't really poke, but I don't usually poke slime, so it's amazing. This has morph in it, so yeah. And then the last slime, this huge one. It's a scented foam slime. That'll probably fill the whole table. Yep, half of the table. Okay, so here it is. And surprisingly, foam beads do not go out of it. So yeah, here it is, and it doesn't poke. It's scented mint. So yeah, and that's will be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for more. Bye!